Have you ever wondered how damaging a chemical spill can be to our environment and if there's a way to mitigate it effectively? Picture this. A tanker capsizes, releasing a torrent of harmful chemicals into a nearby river. The impact is immediate and devastating. Aquatic life, from the tiniest microorganisms to the largest predatory fish, are affected. They may perish outright or suffer from long-lasting health issues. The contamination doesn't stop there, though. It seeps into the soil, affecting plant life, and eventually makes its way into the food chain, impacting larger ecosystems and even human health. But it's not just about the immediate aftermath. The ripple effects of a chemical spill can last for years, even decades. The cleanup is often complicated, time-consuming, and expensive. Early detection and control of these spills are critical, yet it remains a significant challenge given the scope and complexity of the problem. What if we told you that artificial intelligence could be a game-changer in dealing with such situations? Before we delve into how AI helps, let's understand what AI is. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a field of computer science that aims to create machines that mimic human intelligence. Imagine a computer program that can learn from experience, adjust to new inputs, and perform tasks that normally require human intellect. That's AI for you. It's like teaching a child to recognize an apple. You show them several pictures of apples, and over time, they learn to identify an apple, even one they've never seen before. That's how AI works too. It analyzes data, learns patterns, and makes decisions based on what it's learned. AI has found applications in a myriad of fields, from self-driving cars to voice recognition in our smartphones to predicting consumer behavior for businesses. It's the power to analyze vast amounts of data and make swift, accurate decisions that makes AI so transformative. With this understanding of AI, imagine the possibilities it brings to the field of environmental protection. Now, let's explore how AI comes into play in the scenario of a chemical spill.